Hi kids, welcome back to our YouTube channel. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for worm. G for gorilla. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. K is for king. L is for lion. M is for mango. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for panda. Q is for queen bee. R is for rabbit. S is for sheep. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for hand. W is for watermelon. X is for X-ray fish. Y is for ear. Z is for zebra. Bye bye kids.